For many years, whenever you went to a doctor, they would take that handwritten note and they would keep it in your chart, and that was your patient file. In the last about decade, we've seen the use of electronic health records skyrocket. I think it's gone from under 10% back in 2008 to over 90% of hospitals using electronic health records. For us as attorneys who are representing injured people, the medical records are always incredibly important because, one, that shows what your injuries are, what your damages are. But for me as a medical malpractice attorney, those electronic health records are especially important because that's my entire case from beginning to end. That's the evidence of what happened, who messed up, and why my client is injured now, and what sort of future that they can expect with these injuries. It's important to hire a law firm that understands these electronic health records and knows how to be thorough with them, because you want to make sure that any piece of evidence that can be seen has been seen. You can't trust a corporation or some big company to turn over every piece of evidence there is, so you need attorneys who will fight to make sure we have every single piece of paper that will help you in your case. It's important to be able to spot when a record is missing, because really that one note, that one line in a missing page of medical records, that could separate a case from being a good case to a great case. That attention to detail is really what sets us apart as attorneys from any other law firm. When we get in a set of medical records, it's not just one set of eyes that's looking at it either. We have an entire team of attorneys and staff who are going through these records with a fine-tooth comb to make sure that we have every single piece of paper that we need in order to pursue a case. And if we don't have that, we know how to order them, we know how to get them, and if that requires us to go to the hospital ourselves and sit in the medical records department basement of the hospital and individually go through each piece of paper, we will, and I have. The medical malpractice attorneys at Simon have spent so much time looking through so many different kinds of medical records. We understand the systems, we understand what we're looking for, and all of that is so important when we're analyzing a case and trying to really build up the facts of the case that will make it as strong as possible. We will do everything to make sure that there is no stone left unturned when we are investigating these cases for our clients.